In a Google Doc, we can create sections in the document, then add a table of contents. So notice that I have created these sections. You can see the document outline on the left side, but if you want it in the document, you go Insert and come down to Table of Contents. Now that's great, except what about Google Slides? If you go to Google Slides, you'll notice there's no Insert Table of Contents. So I've created an add-on for that. So you're going to go to a new tab and go to alicekeeler.com/slides TOC, and it's going to prompt you to make a copy. Now you're going to go to add-ons and you're going to find table of contents under add-ons. I'm going to go ahead and install. It's going to require that I authorize the add-on. Something that says this app has not been verified by Google. That's correct. I did not submit it. You're going to need to click on advanced. And it says Google has not reviewed this app. That's correct. So go ahead and click on Go to Table of Contents. And then you're authorizing yourself to allow you to run the add-on. Now, this is a template. The code, the add-on is in the template. So if you have slides somewhere else, you're going to have to bring them into this template. You can do that two ways. You can either use the File menu and import slides, or you can copy and paste. So File menu and import slides, or I'm going to go to slidesmania.com. I'm going to go to education and notebook style. I'm going to grab this notebook, open in Google Slides. I'm going to use this template. Now you'll notice this template is portrait and not landscape. So if it's not using the default dimensions of Google Slides, you're going to have to manually set that in the template. So in here, I'm going to go to File and Page Setup, where I can see it's 7.5 by 10. So over in the template, I'm going to want to File and go to Page Setup, and I'm going to customize it to 7.5 by 10 to get the dimensions to match. Now don't delete this slide yet. Over in your slides you already have, go ahead and copy all the slides, and you want to paste them under and keep the original styles. Select on Import Your Slides. So now what you're going to be able to do is go to the add-ons menu and go to Table of Contents. Choose Make Table of Contents. And this will add a table of contents to your Google Slides. You'll notice it's going to grab from each slide and link right to that slide. Now you can move these around and rearrange what you want the table of contents to look like. You can even rename what it says. Click the pencil edit and apply. So you can do that however you want. Now you can also go in and in table of contents, instead of having it just be text boxes, you can do boxes table of contents. It's going to add each of those pages as a box. Now you notice this one doesn't fit. So what I'm able to do is just go ahead and make it larger. I can change the font style if I want, and I can make the font size bigger. And you can of course change the color, and paint can, you can match each of them just using Format Painter.